It was spinning, but you probably ain't hitting it hard enough.
I ain't got enough tread though. Pick up no mud.
Get sideways. Put it in first. Look at this. Disgusting. Boy, I'm about to go get some boots on. Come back. You coming back. You was throwing a little bit.
Oh my god.
That was disgusting.
Look at all that.
You should have seen when all that water splashed on. It started smoking.
I know. I seen it when I was over.
That is too fun. If we had a four-wheeler, I'll show you mud.
Oh my god, it smells.
You drying up that mud.